Subscribe to Nazima's Taste of Home. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Today's recipe is a very simple and easy one pot rice dish, mutton tahari. This is a Hyderabadi or Pakistani special. This mutton tahari recipe is a mixed version of biryani or pulao of rice recipes. Rice is mixed with mutton or meat and cooked in some aromatic and flavorful spices. Tahari is not only a famous Hyderabadi recipe but also popular all over the world and especially with the Muslim community. I have posted the chicken version in my Facebook page multiple times and it was a big hit. When there is no time to make biryani and you would like to make something delicious and fast, then this pulao recipe, or rather I prefer calling it tahari recipe, can be made with less time. So let's get into the recipe now. I'm going to use 3 cups of basmati rice, but you can use any available rice at home. And I have taken 1.5 pounds of mutton with bones, but you can use the boneless mutton too. And then we need a handful of mint leaves and a small bunch of coriander leaves or cilantro. Spices as needed. Half cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 large tomato chopped, and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 large cinnamon stick, and about 5 to 6 cardamoms and some ghee. I need to mention about these fried onions, which makes my cooking very easy. So I have always fried onions at home, but you can use 1 large onion sliced and then fried. So here we can easily buy this. I always use this for my cooking. Now let's get started. I am adding 1 tablespoon oil and about 1 tablespoon ghee. When the ghee or oil heats up, now let's add the whole garam masala. Let it fry for about 30 seconds and then add the fried onions. But if you are adding raw onions, fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes and get a golden color, and then followed by ginger and garlic and fry it for another 30 seconds and then add the mutton pieces and mix well and roast it for about 2 minutes, and then add the chopped tomatoes. And now let's add the spices. 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder, followed by 1.5 teaspoon of salt or salt for your taste, and mix it really well. Cook for further 2 minutes while mixing. Now let's add a handful of coriander leaves and a handful of mint leaves. This will give a nice flavor to the meat. Mix it well and cook for further 1 minute. Now I am adding 1 cup of water to cook the meat. Pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles depending upon the meat and your pressure cooker. Now after 5 whistles and settling down, I have opened the pressure cooker and now I am going to check if the meat is cooked well. Now I am going to check it with the fork. It looks like it is tender and the flesh should come out just like this. And now let's do the rest of the cooking. Now from the pressure cooker I am going to transfer the meat to another large pot. Now add the yogurt, add a handful of coriander leaves and mint leaves. Now let's add enough water to cook the rice. I have already added 1 cup. Now I am going to add about another 4 cups and I have taken 3 cups of rice, so add water according to the rice. Cover with a lid and let it boil now. Now let's open and add the rice. Check for salt and cook it in medium heat for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, cover and simmer on low flame for the next 10 to 20 minutes. Some rice take little longer time. Now finally drizzle some ghee and keep it covered for another 1 minute. This took me about 20 minutes to simmer and fully cooked, and now you can see the rice looks perfect and fluffy. This is what we want, and now this is ready for serving. Try this one pot quick and easy and gorgeous mutton tahari with your family and friends. I'm just topping it with some fried almonds and golden raisins and some fried onions, but this is optional. Serve it hot with some onion raita, and you don't need any other side dish for this delicious rice recipe. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends and family. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching. See you later.